Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make a slow cooker recipe. So we've got lamb shanks. So we've got tomato sauce in here, so oyster sauce, mayonnaise. Oh, no, it's mustard. So we've got crushed garlic. So we've got sugar. Okay. I'm just going to open the lamb shanks. Oops, I just... So we're going to put the lamb shanks in here. Yep.
Radio, wash your hands.
I'm not going to wash my hands. Oh, I've got to pause it.
Yeah, 2 teaspoons of sugar.
2 teaspoons of sugar.
You haven't got any brown sugar?
No.
Oh, actually, sorry.
You made 3 mistakes. 3. 1, you put it in a white bowl. 2, you put a lid on it. And 3, you left it on the fucking bench.
I know. Put it in the fucking home.
1.
2.
Yeah, okay. 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce.
No. Do we go for, do we go chuck his shit away?
It's alright.
Do I say 2?
Yep. Okay, 2 teaspoons of... I don't know if that will pour out very easily because you put it in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you put it in the fridge. Get a clean teaspoon and not that one. Get a clean teaspoon. Take 2 teaspoons.
So
1. And some tomato. I don't know how much tomato sauce. It says 1/3 of a bottle, so I don't know. Just squeeze it. Yeah, just squeeze. A bit more. Another one. And maybe one more. Okay, stir it all up.
what's that?
Just stir it all up.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Then pour it into here. Yep.
Okay, get spatula and scrape it all out. So there's enough sauce in there.
Have a lid. Go on low.
Yes.
Thank you for watching how to make lamb shakes in a slow cooker. I'll write this recipe down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.